Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete tasks in your Google Calendar. So first I'll come and click on these dots right here. This is the icon for Google Apps. And let's go to launch our Google Calendar. So we have our Google Calendar and all the tasks for this week, right? So as you can see, what I'll do is I'll actually go ahead and switch this to monthly view. So I have the dog's grooming appointment task. So if I want to go ahead and delete this, all you need to do is click on the task, and then you see this trash bin, right? If I click on this trash bin, it will go ahead and delete this task. So there we go. Let me go ahead and click on this. So it will say delete the repeating task. So whether you want to delete only this task, maybe you want to delete only for this week, or this and the following tasks, or all the tasks completely, even the previous ones, choose whichever one is applicable, and then go ahead and select OK. And there you go, the task is gone. Really that easy and really that simple.